Hello everybody, it's Mickey back with another video, and in today's video we are going to transfer Thunderbird email from one PC to another PC. It's pretty straightforward, not that complicated. You just need to know where the files are at. So what you want to do first is obviously this right here I'm looking at my old PC. So what you want to do is click on account settings. I don't know where that will be. This is an old version of Thunderbird, but just look for account settings and then scroll down to local folders, or really any of these folders, any of these accounts will be the same thing. But once you do that, you will see a local directory. Now here's where you want to copy. This is going to be your focus because this is where everything is stored. Basically, this is your Thunderbird app data. And here's your profile. This is your user information, and then all your, in this case, local folders ties in with that. If you wanted FSA, it would be under there. But basically, we just want to copy the whole shebang, all your emails, all your folders, all your users into the new PC. So what you're basically going to do is just copy. I don't even need all this stuff here. I basically just want to copy up until profiles. Just hit Control-C copy, and then I'm going to go here. I already have it kind of set up, but just to show you, I'm going to hit paste. And now, okay, so that's where all your user data, all your emails, etc. are stored. So you can see there's my username, folder, another folder, Thunderbird, profile. So this stores basically all your Thunderbird information. Yeah, and so I don't know what all this stuff, a lot of this stuff you don't need to worry about. Basically what you're doing is just copying this whole folder to your new computer. So that's basically it. You want to just control, oop, yeah, just copy that, put it on a USB drive or another device if you want to. You guess you could zip it up and email it, but it'll probably be too big. But or on a network, whatever you gotta do, get that folder. Basically, you want the contents of that folder. I shouldn't say the folder, but ideally the way this works is you go to your new PC, install Thunderbird, and then you're going to go into account settings, just as we did here. Look for this local folder, look for this directory. Basically go to this directory. Let's say we're on the new computer now, right? And this directory on the new computer will have a different profile name. So that profile name will be different. It's not going to be lxut7mk8.default. It's going to be called something else. So what you do, if you open this directory, and basically all this information we're just going to overwrite it with the other information from the other PC. So you're not actually copying the directory name. You want everything inside of it. You're just going to do a Control-C, go to your new laptop, and then go into that profile, and then hit boom, Control-C, and that's about it. Depending on how much data you have, it might not take long, or it might take long, but it's pretty easy to transport all your emails and folders. And Thunderbird just came out with a new version. I think it's called Supernova. It came out over the summer. It's yeah, I mean it works. So I just did that. It's I like using Thunderbird, but there's lots of other email clients you can use. But if Thunderbird's the way to go, you can keep doing it. So that's an easy way to transport over your folders. As for profiles, that gets a little sticky, depending on what. I would search the web for that, or just set them up yourself. That's what I did. Um, there is a mail folder here which you can copy and just replace it on the new PC. That could work too. But anyway, those are just some of the options you can do, and hope that works out for you. Thanks for watching.